In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix your PIN is no longer available on Windows 10 or 11. Press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding the Shift key, click on the power button on the same corner of the screen. Click on Restart. Continue holding the Shift key until the next screen appears. When you see the Please Wait screen, release the Shift key. Click on Troubleshoot, click on Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type regedit and press Enter. This will open the registry editor. In there, select HKey Local Machine. From the top menu, click on File, then select Load Hive. If you don't see the System32 folder, navigate to this PC, Local Disk, Windows, System32. Double-click on the config folder, and then select the software file and click Open. When prompt, name the key as msoft8-software and click OK. Double-click on the HKey Local Machine and then MSsoft Software. Navigate to Microsoft, Windows NT, and current version. Scroll down, then find Passwordless folder, double-click on it, and then click on Device. On the right-hand side, find the Device Passwordless build version. Double-click and change the value data from 2 to 0, and click OK. Close the registry editor, and close the command prompt, and then click Continue to restart your computer. After the restart, the sign-in screen should now give you the option to use your password. Select the password option and enter your password to sign in. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.